In front of me is a REALME 8, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, let's open the list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here, find and select additional settings, and now click on date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can turn it off by unmarking the switcher, and now you can pick a time zone at first. So here we've got the whole list of time zones. You can also enter same time zone at the top of the list, so just give me a second to scroll it up again. And here you can enter some particular time zone if you want to, and pick it. And then you can change the date and time also manually by yourself, so it's up to you. Let's go back in time. It's up to you what date and time it currently is. So it has been set, time also, and that's it. This is how you can personalize date and time. You can also set word clock if you want to, right here, or you can activate dual clock feature. And then you just have to pick your hometown. So this is it. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just click on set automatically, and from now on it will be set up automatically. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.